I got a lot of comments asking for this video. This is my Daniel Defense PCC, has the 8.3 inch barrel. And it has a special feature in this. It's not a fully automatic gun. It has a FRT, an arc fire 3 selector super safety in this gun. Now, I've had a lot of experience with this gun and tweaking it, and I'm gonna show you how to do it as well because there's no videos on how to do it in this platform, and I had to do a deep dive on how to do this. So let's jump right into the video. So we have two parts to the gun right here, the upper and the lower. Lower, you don't really have to do anything. All you have to do is install the super safety. Here's the tongue right here. How the super safety works, right here you have safety, semi, and full. What happens is this hits here and it releases, and then it comes back right there. I'm holding the trigger down right here. See, there we go. And see, it won't shoot again, right? You have to completely let it out and it will shoot. Semi, which is cool, right here. You're gonna pull this and see, with the recoil, it moves this back and forth and it keeps unlocking it, and that means it can shoot faster. This route right here works. You don't have to mess with this, which is good. Up here is the part you're gonna have to mess with. This is the only thing you have to deal with right here. This is your Daniel Defense bolt carrier. You can't buy these anywhere else. You can only buy them with the gun. So let's say you break this, you're gonna have to send it to Daniel Defense to get it fixed. Right here, this was all metal right here, all the way to here, I would say. I'm gonna try to find a photo of it, but all of this is metal. Now in your standard AR-15, there is no metal there, which is interesting. I don't know why they put a piece of metal there on this receiver. Now what you're gonna have to do is hollow that out with a Dremel. That's what I used, and that's for the tongue to move back and forth. Now, you've probably seen the super safeties like this right here. These are just your basic, cheap super safeties. You have your selector right here. This just moves left and right. These do sometimes work in the Daniel Defense. Now, I've had it work and I've had it not work. You want reliability in this gun. I've had a couple of these break on me on this one right here, and it's just very loose. I don't like that on this one right here. You can put that on any other rifles, but it's a good backup to have just in case. So I would not recommend these right here, but the 3 selector looks so much better and it feels so much more durable as well. And another thing you're gonna have to do is the weight in the back of the bolt receiver, you're gonna have to cut right there. You go. So you're gonna have to make it a degree, and this is just keep going with the Dremel until it works, and you'll just keep putting it together. But I had to make a degree right there. So those are the 2 things you have to do to make this gun work. All you have to do is put it back together, and it works completely fine. And I have not had a malfunction with this since. Another issue you're probably gonna run into is this right here. So this kept getting loose on me just because it was moving a little bit back and forth when you're shooting. I put some, I forget what it's called. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm drawing a blank. But tighten it down really hard, and this has not moved on me since. But that's basically it. It might seem tedious to do because you can't get this anywhere else, and if you send this to Daniel Defense, they're gonna be like, what the heck did you do with the bolt? But it's very, very simple, and it will take you under 30 minutes to do if you do it slow. And it'll turn out perfectly, and then you'll have a FRT in your Daniel Defense, which is super cool. And here's a video of that. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoy this kind of content, let me know. And I love making this kind of stuff. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.